Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here and you don't know me, then I'm Krishika, and in this video I'm gonna tell you everything about CAT exam. So what exactly is CAT exam? Eligibility criteria, patterns, syllabus. Not the syllabus you can find it on Google also, right? So I'll tell you some things that are really important for you to know before starting your CAT prep. So first things first. So what is exactly CAT? CAT, its full form is Common Admission Test, which is a national level entrance exam conducted by IIM. Last year, the CAT exam was conducted by IIM Calcutta, and previous to that, it was conducted by IIM Lucknow. So it's not fixed like which arm will be conducting the CAT exam. And also this year CAT is on 30th of November 2025. So let's see how it goes for all of us. So that's why now it's a peak time, not a peak time, but yeah, it's the best time to start your prep with. February is a month like we should definitely start our prep. So I've also been started, and if you want to know my journey, you can watch my previous vlogs and all the videos that I've uploaded yet. So let's now dive into this video. So we will start with what is the eligibility criteria for this exam, which is not too high, like it's just a normal criteria. So first thing, you should have a bachelor's degree in like a reputed stream and college, which should contain at least 50% aggregate score. And if you belong to some category, then the score is 45% aggregate. Okay. So second thing is you should at least be in your final year, or you should have completed your graduation, because CAT accepts score for only the exam you have given. After that, the 1 year which is admission year, till that you won't be able to take the colleges next year behalf of the exam what you have given now. Like for example, if you are giving CAT in 2025, you have to take admission in June 2026. You can't go for June 2027. Okay. So third thing is there is no such limit for age limit for CAT exams. You can give it n number of times. It doesn't have any limit for anything, nor age, nor number of attempts, right? So okay, this was all about the eligibility criteria. So now let's talk about what I think is the suitable number of attempts that any person should give. It is just what I think. It completely depends on you and your situation, of course. So I would suggest that you should give CAT as a trial attempt, like maybe in your like second year ending or third year ending, so that you should know an idea. You should just have a gist of what you are gonna do, right? So when you go with your second attempt, then you will be very confident about, as you will know what does exam really ask us, what is its pattern. You will be able to like handle the time. It's not like if it's your first time, it's your first attempt, then you will not get good score. It's not like that. It completely depends on you, but it's my suggestion, go for a trial attempt. For this trial attempt, I'll suggest go with the self-study. On YouTube, you can find various content. It's like everything you can find on YouTube. So it's not like if you are going for self-study, you won't be able to make it. It's just a trial attempt. So you will know how hard it is or how it really is. So you really want to get into it, or you don't, or are you really willing to give CAT? So for your next attempt, that is final attempt, it should be your final attempt. First trial attempt and then final attempt. No more attempts, according to me. Final attempt is something you should accept whatever is done. Because if you again for the third attempt, then you will be exhausted. I feel like that because I've talked to many of the people. They say in the first attempt it was a trial attempt, then second attempt this situation was there. I was not serious. This happened, that happened. So I'm already again giving the third attempt. It's actually okay if there was something critical situation while you were giving your previous attempt. So that's why you were not able to get what you should. So it's then fine, like if you go for third attempt else, or like you are completely sure you will make it this time. Last time you got like some good percentile but you didn't convert it into good IIMs or then like that, then you can go for third attempt. But else if you are lagging somewhere and you don't find it very interesting, then I would say avoid going for the third attempt, because when you go for the third attempt, I've seen many people, they get exhausted, they get bored, they don't feel like continuing it. So rather do it with complete interest, put yourself into it and make it best the time you are giving to it. So I always say in my blogs, it's peak time. Whenever you decide to start your to give your CAT exam, just start the prep on that day itself. Don't wait, I will start from this day, I'll start from that day. It never comes. So as soon as you decide you have to give your exam, just go and give it. Just start your prep. That is all what I mean. Also, yeah, start with giving one mock test. It's not like it's just you will be knowing. It's not you have not done any preparation. I'll give mock test after I've completed. It's not like that. Just give one mock. So like also you can go for previous year papers or any mock that is available free on websites. Like you can find some on CrackU, or there are many websites that give one free mock, so you can just try from there. So yeah, do it for sure. It will let you know, or it will help you to understand what really CAT asks us. So you will get a kick to start your preparation from that. So now we know that we are gonna prepare for this. But why are we preparing for CAT exam? Is it is it because it's in fashion, it's trending, so we are preparing for it? Or there should be some other reason, right? So mostly people do prepare for CAT because the salary that we get after our placement. Are you preparing for that reason? Okay, so actually, we should prepare for CAT because the arms or the B schools that we get, the experience, knowledge that we are gonna get over there, and also placement is also good. Not good, it's the best, but still, there is a lot of things that you will learn in these colleges rather than a normal average college. There you won't learn such things because these also have some events, some national level competitions. So when we participate in it, when we go into the IIMs and baby IIMs, these schools, then these experience and knowledge is complete different than what what we have gained in our college, in like bachelor's college or any other college. So I would recommend, if you get any of them, then your life will be set. That's for sure. So, what are the good ants, or what are the all ants are good, but what are the top ants that and B schools that we should aim for, right? So, I would say aim for all the ants. There are 21 ants in total. So, which are they? Everyone knows top three IIMs ABC, that is Ahmedabad, Bangalore, and Calcutta, right? So these are the top three, and then we come with Lucknow, Kozhikode, Indore, Shillong, Rohtak, Ranchi, Raipur, Trichy, Kashipur, Udaipur, Nagpur, Vishakhapatnam, Bodh Gaya, Amritsar, Sambalpur, Simar, Jammu, and the latest that has converted into an IIM, it's IIM Mumbai. Niti, everyone should know this. So now these were all the IIM lists. So now if we talk about the B schools, what are some of the good B schools or top B schools? So we can go with Mica, SP Jain, Great Lakes, Tapmi, GIM Goa, Ford School of Management, KJ Somaiya, Wellinger, BITS Pilani, SDA Bukonits in Mumbai, then Soil and Vauxhall University, right? Etc. There are many more. So, but these are some like good B schools you can opt for. Also, the sequence that I've told is not like it's a descending order or something. It's not like that. It's just a random sequence. Okay, it's not like if I have told SPJNM second number, so it's the second best college. It's not like that. The list is just a random list, but these are the top B schools where you can step in. And if you want to know each of their eligibility criteria and detailed information about all these colleges, then subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment colleges in the comment section. Then I'll definitely make a video on this topic for you guys. As now we have aimed for IIMs, right? So now let's come back to our prep guide. So for the pattern that is CAT pattern, it consists of three sections. As you might know, VRC, DLR, and quants. So each of them we are allotted 40 minutes for each, and the total comes of 2 hours. The paper is of 2 hours, and each section has 40 minutes. And the number of questions is not fixed: 24, 24, 22, 22, 22, 24. So it varies from year to year. So we can't say ki, like we should not be fixed. We should be flexible so that whatever comes in the exam, we don't get nervous, and we are our mind is trained in the way ki we can solve whatever the number of questions comes. We don't get nervous in these small things. Okay, so this was all about CAT. Then what about other exams? We have heard about NAT, SNAP. What are they? These exams are known as OMETs. So what is OMETs? OMETs, its full form is Other Management Entrance Test. So these include ZAT, SNAP, NMAT, CMAT, and GMAT. I won't say anything about these five here because it's also a vast topic. So I'll make another video on this topic also. So don't forget to subscribe or you will miss all these important topics. And this video is already have become a long video. I didn't plan to make it so long, but yeah, it's going because there are many topics to cover. So I'll make again a detailed video on this. Just comment OMETs in the comment section, then I'll for sure make this video for you guys. And the last doubt that everyone has in their minds is work-ex versus freshers. So I would say if you are fresher and you have gained 99 percentile in CAT exam, then you are on top of that person who has work-ex. So I am not saying ki don't go for work-ex. If you have an opportunity, if your job is not hectic and you can go for it, then do sure go for work-ex. It will help you a lot. But if you can't get the work-ex, then go for the freshers are also fine. So, but it's just put your 100% into it so that you can gain at least your 99 percentile. Okay. So, and also just remember, those who have work-ex, don't forget to focus on your studies, because I've seen many people when they have work-ex, they forget to focus on their studies. It's just work-ex, work-ex, work-ex. So don't do that. So that's it for this video. If you like my vlogs, then subscribe to my YouTube channel and bell notification icon on करना ना भूलिएगा. So bye bye. And if I forgot anything, then let me know in the comments. I'll make the video on that. Bye.